Welcome back to the channel. This is a really short, quick instructional on how to change the brake light bulb on a Skoda Fabia. It's the top bulb in here for me on this one. In the back here, you've literally got, don't know how much well you can see, but there is two black fixings. You need the top black fixing and a flat blade screwdriver. Just unwind that. Once it's cracked off, it's loose. There's quite a long thread on it. It's out. And then the whole unit should just pull forward. It's got two little fixings, a little ball bearing fixings there, and it's the top bulb for me. This way, you just unwind. So there you go, one blown brake hole, fresh one back in, lock it round, line up the fittings, push it back into place, take that winder, pop it back on, remember lefty loosey righty tighty, spin it back up, and then once you've done that, go around and check that the brake light is actually working. But yeah, pretty quick instructional video. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. Thanks for watching, hope that helps.